Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate in Canva. Let's get started. Click on the element you want to animate. You'll see a toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the Animate button. This will open the Animation Options panel on the left side of the screen. In the Animation panel, you'll see different animation styles like Rise, Pan, Fade, and more. Click on any of these to see a preview of how your element will animate. Choose the one that fits your design best. Once you've selected an animation style, you can further customize it. You can set the animation to occur on enter, exit, or both. Use the slider to adjust the speed of the animation and choose a direction. You can also turn on reverse exit animation. Play around with these settings until you're happy with how it looks. Another cool feature is creating a custom animation. Scroll up and click on Create an Animation from the animation options. You can start by clicking and dragging the element to the direction you want. After creating an animation, you can select a movement style. If you want the element to rotate or spin as it follows the animation path, toggle Orient Element to Path. If you're presenting a slideshow and you want to be more in control, toggle on Appear on Click. Additionally, you can add motion effects to make it more interesting. If you have multiple elements you want to animate together, you can group them. Select the elements you want to group, right-click, and choose Group. Then, apply the animation style to the grouped elements as you did in the previous steps. You can also animate entire pages. To do this, click on the page you want to animate. In the animation options, choose a style and customize it as needed. This will apply the animation to all elements in the page. To see how your entire design looks animated, click the play button at the top right of the screen. This will give you a full preview of all your animations together. And that's it! You've just created an animated design in Canva. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.